Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to turn off iPhone is too close iOS 17. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Many iPhone users have experienced this annoying pop-up when they hold their phone too close to their face. Thankfully, there is a simple solution to disable this feature. Open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap Screen Time. Scroll down and you'll see an option called Screen Distance. Tap on it. So this feature is beneficial for reducing eye strain. With this warning, users are notified when they hold the device too close to their face, reminding them to maintain a safe distance. By maintaining an appropriate distance between the eyes and the screen, users can reduce eye fatigue and minimize potentialized strain. The risk of myopia in children, and I recommend you leave this on, but if you really want to turn off that warning, simply toggle off the switch over here. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.